Hi, it's Felicia behind the camera with Elisa Ching from Updo, and we're going to be teaching you how to do another updo that you can do at home today.
Let's start. Okay, we start here again. Okay, we start here again. Most of the time I like to start here.
And when you say here, just dividing your hair up?
Yes, just line to line, here all the way to circle. Okay, please do this. Today I'm gonna make it more higher than the one before. I do it this way and I knock it out. I knock another one. You see it?
2 knots this time.
2 or 3 is up to you.
Okay.
It's up to you, and bend it right in this spot. See, I got height. This time I like it to have height. I put 1 bobby pin. I put 2 bobby pins. That can last I can sleep on it for the whole night until tomorrow because I'm being lazy. I am a lazy bum. So from here we can divide it in 2. Okay? When we divide in 2, so we can put a bobby pin in here, like you can hold this. Because I don't see myself on the back, so I don't know if the length is nice, the divider is nice.
It looks really good actually, you got it spot on.
Because I don't know. And then I twist it right now. I'm twisting. You see it? Twist it and put it right up. And then 1 bobby pin. 1 only. I don't need it too many. 1 here. And then we do the other part. Because my length. So you can learn by yourself. You don't have to have somebody all the time on your back and doing things on your back, and do it yourself with the medium length. So try to join together as much as you can and then put another bobby pin. I don't know how to look the back.
There's 1 little piece in between that you didn't catch right there.
Okay, that is okay because this we can always bobby pin. Hairspray. Because I'm not using so much, I can always put a little bit hairspray. You see, if I want to tidy it up nicely, I just go all the way. But because I'm doing it myself, so I don't need to be perfect. But everybody can do it perfectly if you keep on doing it. More time you do, more you know. But right now I'm doing it myself. I don't know if I catch the right place or whatsoever. You see, I cannot see.
It's impressive you can still do it and you can't see it.
Yeah, I cannot see. So what I do is I keep on twisting and put it right up here without seeing what's going on. So this is another twist. This is the piece that I have left over. A few minutes ago I have another left over. And then here, ear to ear. See, some portion I take a big, some portion I take a not enough big. So, more practice you do, more you know. So, you see? This is another piece that I tack into it. See, all this go up. And then there, you see? There that I miss out. Don't worry about the miss out. Because when you miss out, you can always put a curling iron in here and then tack it up into a look. You see what I'm doing? So right now I am just guessing where to bobby pin myself.
So every day you can come up with new styles, which is
That's
amazing.
Right. Every day I can come up with different look. Every day. Because it's so hot, the weather is so hot, you know, sometimes you feel like to do something different. And nobody outside to teach you what to do. You want to look good every day. But You see your neck is fresh. Right now everything is fresh. So you see all this part that is sitting on the ends, I can tack it up. I can tack it into it. You see, you learn every day. More you play with your hair, more you learn every day. And the sweaty, all the sweaty is feel fresh.
So for updos, does it matter the length of your hair? You have medium length hair. Could you do it with longer hair?
Oh yes, you can do with longer hair, you can do with medium length, you can do with always imagination, always up to you.
So you could take these concepts and adjust it for the different lengths of hair.
Yes, yes. So I cannot see what's going on.
It looks nice. I like all the curls.
All those curls, it's hiding up on the back. I don't even know what's going on. But just give you some idea. All these curls can go back down a little bit when you put the hairspray on. And then there's I look at a lot of videos. They don't have people teaching people what to do.
I think what sets you apart is that you're doing it on yourself and not doing it on a model. So you can show people that they really can do it themselves.
That's right, that's right. You see, all this part is falling down, and then you tack it up. Everything, because I cannot see very well, and I cannot, I am doing my own judgment how to do it. So every time is different style, every time. So you can go put this on the side instead of whisk, better right up into it. So there you go. And then here, this is falling down. This is falling down because of the bobby pins. We have to, it's not secure enough, the bobby pins. When the bobby pin doesn't secure, you can redo it.
I think that kind of just shows you that if something does slip up, you can fix it.
That's right.
All is not lost.
That's right. Everything can fix, you know. It will just fall down, and the bobby pin can be loose. Instead of using all the time elastic, you can always fix, you see? Everything can fix. And then you just put a clip on it, wherever you feel like to put it on. Just a look. And then you just go together. And then this, you can tack it up. And then you can just put hairspray, and then you just tidy it up into it with gel, and then you can just whip into it.
Very chic, I love it.
If you like it high, and your bangs, if you like it high, you can just tease a little bit again, and then smooth it down. Without blow drying so much and do this and do this. Just an angle look. And then here, that little piece, so you don't have to use curling iron 24/7. Just go like this with the curling iron. Just like that.
And what size barrel of a curling iron is that?
1/4 inch, 3/4, whatever you like.
Whatever will work. Okay.
Yeah. So what do you think about this?
It's gorgeous.
Felicia?
I like it.
I just want to show people something that, you know, make people learning that different look, and then put some earring and just be yourself.
So very stylish. Thank you, Elisa. It looks great.
Do you like it?
We'll have to do another one.
Sure. Thank you.
So remember, everyone, to like this video, and don't forget to follow You Do Updo for more updo inspiration.
Thank you so much, Felicia.
You're welcome.